Reduce irritation first, then choose the herbal lane that fits. Think use case matching, not random tips, and results get clearer fast. Matching matters because the same symptom can come from different patterns. For 7 days, reduce irritation at night and track cough and throat dryness. Chuan Bei Pi Pa Gao may fit for dry cough with throat irritation, worse at night. Use case: dryness pattern cough with dry throat and light sleep. Mai Men Dong Tang is one option. Same symptom, different lane. Match first, then test one change, and track the signal. Give a few real signals, and Herb Helper returns a cleaner lane at herbhelper.com.